Welcome to 425 10th Avenue South. We have a beautiful wraparound porch with ceiling fans and lights. Very large outside and a very big garage. That's a 33-foot garage, 12-foot opening. We have insulated ceilings in the garage. Great for a boat or an RV. You'll notice on the side of the house you'll see the tankless hot water system that this home has. And we have a very propane tank as well, since we have gas stove and a gas fireplace, as you see entering the home. Extra wide doorways and hallways. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and as I said, a gas stove. Coming through the home, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the first bedroom. All the closets are lit and nicely shelved for you. We have the laundry. The pantry. Across the hall from the first bedroom, we have a nice bath with a tub shower, granite countertops. Our cabinets are soft close, dovetailed drawers. Nice linen closet with shelves large enough for your blankets. We have a floored lit attic space above. Coming down through the home, we'll go to the left first. You'll notice the skylights above where your bed would be. We have a gorgeous tiled floor throughout the home. High molding. Again, lit closets with nice shelves in each. Recessed lighting here. I'm going to back up and show you that, even in the hallways. In the master suite, large enough for a king-size bed and very large bedside tables even. Again, very nice double closet. Lots of nice shelving here. Beautiful blinds in the windows. Your windows have new windows in them. This is a brand new build as of 2016. Beautifully tiled shower with a bench. We'll take you back through one more time. Notice the backsplash in the kitchen. Goes all the way up to the cabinets. Lots of storage in the kitchen. This home is not in the flood zone, so does not require any flood insurance. You're only 4 blocks to the beach. A nice walk or golf cart ride to get down to the beach and enjoy the waves in the sand. This home could be yours today. Why not give us a call?